Namaskar, everyone. I welcome
Namaskar.
you all from Technology Enabling Center, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Today we have with us Professor Naveen Agarwal. Professor Naveen Agarwal is faculty in Computer Science branch of UIT Punjab University, Chandigarh, and he is also co-investigator of Design Innovation Center of Punjab University, Chandigarh. So I welcome Professor Naveen Agarwal and his team. So today we have this is a team of a startup by name Rootworks. So my first question to you is, Professor Naveen, please explain about this startup and please also explain about, introduce your team also.
Yeah, thank you, Professor Manu Sharma. So even though in the Design Innovation Center, we have many products which we have developed in last 5 years. But today we will talk about the Rootworks, which recently has won award from Punjab State Council of Science and Technology as well for rupee 50,000. And this startup has evolved in last 4 to 5 years with the help of Design Innovation Center and Coral Telecoms. So it has many unique abilities, like we can also connect using the interactive voice response system as well, using a normal phone as well. So today with us, we have two founders, Shubham Nurula and Utkarsh. So they have worked very hard even during the this pandemic, March, April. They have started working very hard with us, and now they have few clients with them as well. So they are providing services to the few clients as well. And Punjab State Council has asked us to implement in the different schools of UT as well. So we today with us we have Shubham and Utkarsh.
Thank you so much, sir.
So my first question to the team is that how the idea of Rootworks came into your mind?
Yes, sir. So, sir, as we know, during the pandemic, the online education is on the verge. Because of the pandemic, schools and educational institutions are shut down. That is why we found that teachers are facing a lot of hassles in online teaching. Now, currently, in the online teaching, teachers are using platforms such as Zoom and Google Meets to take online classes. But the learning is a one-way traffic channel, which is being done from the teacher to the students. So basically, we wanted to bridge the gap between teachers and students in this online learning by creating an efficient learning management system, which is why we created Rootworks. Now, Rootworks is a very efficient learning management system. With the help of Rootworks, teachers can conduct classes, teachers can also take online tests, teachers can conduct assignments. All in all, with the help of Rootworks, teachers can do each and everything which teachers can do in a physical classroom. So basically, we have created a virtual classroom which can be replaced by physical classroom in these times of difficulties.
Okay, so what makes Rootworks learning unique from other existing learning management systems?
Yes, sir. So, sir, the other learning management systems available in the market don't have the ability to work in an offline mode. Like with Rootworks Learning, we have collaborated with Coral Telecom Limited to provide offline audio conferencing feature to students as well as teachers. So this will be a very fruitful feature in rural areas as well as in areas where internet connectivity is not present. For an example, if a teacher wants to take a live class and say some students are there who don't have an active internet connection with them, with the help of Rootworks learning management system, teachers can also connect to those students with the help of offline audio conferencing feature. So thus we ensure that all the students are able to participate in the online video conferencing done by the teacher.
So Dr. Manu, we do not need to have online internet connection always available when we have the conferencing. Even student can connect using a normal GSM, which I believe is normally available in even in the Jammu and Kashmir. 2G connections are there, so students in the Jammu can also join, even in the Ladakh region, and even in the rural part of India where we do have only GSM connection. So they can connect using the IVRS system and offline system without even having the internet. So that is the main USP of this particular platform.
So your platform does not require internet, right?
Yes, using a simple GSM, student can call using a feature phone, and it will be in audio conferencing mode. student can listen to the teacher. Obviously, if student doesn't have internet, they cannot see the screen, but still they can listen to the teacher in the audio conferencing mode.
In the audio conferencing mode over internet, or how would it work?
Normal phone, normal GSM phone, like
Okay.
you have a 2G phone. So
Right.
student has to dial the number and it will connect to a video conferencing. So some of the students can be connected through video conferencing. Other students who do not have the active connection, like in the some remote areas or rural areas or in the some part of Jammu and Kashmir, so they can connect using audio conferencing. So
Okay,
they
so
have to just
right.
number, and they
Got
will
it.
listen to the teacher's voice.
So the teacher also has to use a phone only?
Teacher can use the normal way, the way we are connected right now. So teacher can use our app, the Rootworks. So they can through the web conferencing mode through our website, and then students will can join in the both way using video conferencing and also through the feature phone using audio conferencing.
So that means the teacher is using the internet, and the student,
Yes.
some of them can use can connect through internet, and some can use the GSM phone.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. That's I think a very unique thing in your platform.
Yes. So for this particular feature, the Coral Telecom, so they have helped us a lot. And as you are aware that Coral Telecom has a large business in the defense DRDO in India as well. So they usually have these kind of technologies for the defense personals. So they have helped us to develop the similar technology for this particular startup as well, Rootworks as well.
Okay. So are you able to do monetization as of now?
Yes,
So,
sir. So, yes, sir. So, sir, we currently are catering few clients within our system. There are few private tutors who are currently using Rootworks learning management system with their teaching faculty, and it is being currently run by 4 to 5 private tutors within Chandigarh Tri-City. Also, sir, apart from this, we have recently done a collaboration by working on a project Udgam, where our system will be used by more than 50 lakh students in Haryana. So we have collaborated with Haryana EduSat Society of Haryana to provide online education to more than 50 lakh students of Haryana for an efficient online learning.
Okay. So like you said that you have collaborated with Coral Software. So I mean, you may not like to share the equity sharing, of course. So you have some equity, and some equity is with the Coral Software. Is it that way?
So, sir, currently our collaboration with Coral Telecom works in more of an innovation manner. Like Coral Telecom has helped us develop the integrations within our system. So whatever product we'll be selling out, we'll be marketing with our clients. So yes, we have an equity share on the amount of profit which will be shared by the Coral Telecom Limited and by our startup.
Okay, so can we have a look at your website, how it looks?
Sure, sir. I'll just share the screen.
So Dr. Manu, there are many features in the website. So video conferencing system where Coral Telecom is helping. So they will have equity in that part only. So for other many features like the conducting the proctored based exams and conducting other activities. So for that we will have a separate system. So Coral Telecom is helping us only in the video conferencing system.
Right. So Dr. Naveen, how are you planning to scale up the startup?
So for that, we talked to Punjab State Council of Science and Technology as well. So we want to establish some model schools like maybe the Ankur School in the Punjab University, and maybe our Sector 25 government school, and we will pitch them as a model school, and we want to go to all the schools of UT first and then to the Punjab and nearby states. So as Utkarsh told that we have already working with the EduSat Society of Haryana. So we also want to work with the EduSat Society of Punjab as well, so that we have different schools. And initial our aim is to reach to as many schools as possible so that we can have as many clients as possible. And then right now we can also target the online tutors. There are many tutors, there are many people who can teach, but they do not usually have the facility. Before COVID, they usually do not have to, they usually have to rent a space and to ask to get the student to a particular space. But now the new business opportunity have arisen. Let's say you know that some person know that how to play a guitar and want to teach to the people, so they can also come to our platform and can have a let's say 20-30 students and use our platform and can teach to those people. So these kind of business opportunities will rise in future as well, where individuals who are not able to teach to the people, so they can also become a tutor, so they will also be our client in future.
Right. So if you compare with some platforms which are being used these days, so in those platforms a teacher can do video conferencing, the teacher can take attendance, the teacher can give assignments, and the teacher can give tutorials and check the assignments also. So are these things there in your platform also?
Right, sir.
Yes.
So, sir, basically, sir, yeah. So basically, there are many solutions available in the market which provide you with the video conferencing solution, provide you with the test functionality and all those things, assignment functionality as well. But the thing with the Rootworks is we provide all the integrated solution where you can find all these modules at single place only, right? Also, we have integrated with, we have working with the Coral Telecom to provide that specific functionality of audio conferencing, wherein you don't need that internet bandwidth requirements that you need with the existing softwares.
Right. Okay. So Utkarsh, you were trying to show the website?
Yes, sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll share the screen. So is the screen visible right now?
Yes.
So, sir, this is our website named rootworks.com. So our motto is to make teaching engaging, inspiring, and lifelong. So like, first of all, we can see a short screenshot of our website wherein we have logged in through our admin dashboard. Now our admin dashboard provides teachers the all functionality at a single place. That is, teacher can create tests, take assignments, create batches, share video lectures, share assignments and notes, all from a single place. With the help of Rootworks Learning, teachers get all the functionalities within one place. Like, first of all, the teachers get an exam management software with a YouTube integration link. If a teacher wants to share any kind of educational material to students, they can share it through Rootworks by just adding a single link of YouTube. So we have done the YouTube integrations within our system as well. Apart from this, we have live class management, which is being operated in collaboration with Coral Telecom. Apart from this, subjective assignments is also a unique part which is offered by Rootworks, wherein teachers can take objective assignments as well as subjective assignments from the students. Apart from this, we have integrated with SMS notification and parent communication so that parents are being updated by the progress of the word. Apart from this, our Rootworks learning software is integratable to all the form of media, that is laptop, PCs, tablets, etc., so that it is accessible at each and every point of time. So now if a teacher wants to create a test on Rootworks, so he or she can create it in very easy 3 simple steps. That is just creating a batch, creating the test and sharing the test. Now one important feature which Rootworks offers to teachers is it saves the time and investment of a teacher of checking the test. Our software automatically checks the test, generates the result, generates the ranking, so that teacher doesn't have to care about investing his or her time on checking the assignments as well as analysis of the student. Apart from this, Rootworks Learning is featured in some prominent media channels as well, like Hindustan Times. So currently, Rootworks is offering solutions to corporates, education, as well as training institutes. So yes, we have clients in varied varieties. Also, we are looking for investors who can help us out in scaling a startup so that we can basically cater more clients in different areas.
So on your this website, can there be proctored exam?
Yes, sir. we have the feature of proctored exams, wherein teacher can start the proctored test, and each and every student appearing for the test will be visible to the teacher at the time of the examination.
That is wonderful. So, I mean, you mean to say that if exam is being conducted, then your software would give a notification if a student tries to do some cheating or something like that?
Yeah, so
Yeah. So that can be incorporated if the client wants, because these kind of solution would require extra, we will charge extra money from the client. So these kind of customized solution where even if the student is moving away from the camera to give a notification, so we will charge extra money from the client, because we have to set up another server for doing that. And usually in the market, this amounts to 150 rupee per student. So market, when these kind of proctored exams are there. But in our case, we can customize solution for the client, and we can negotiate based on the client's requirement, the way the client wants it, then the scaling of the proctored based exams, the number of students they want to proctored. Accordingly, we can provide a customized solution to the
So
client.
that customized solution is already available, or you would be working on it?
So it is actually the APIs are already available. We have to just integrate as per the customer's demand. So right, because it will we require a heavy servers whenever these kind of proctored based exams to be connected,
Right.
and that's why we're also looking for some investors, because even if some clients came, so we need to immediately set up these kind of servers as well.
Okay, so in the exam, the student has to type on the computer or laptop, or he can write on his answer sheet, A4 sheet, and then scan and upload it.
sir, we have both the functionalities within our system. We offer both objective test, subjective test, as well as the functionality which you just mentioned, wherein student can just click the picture or scan the photograph of the paper and submit it to the paper within the desired time frame.
Okay, so
Sir,
what
also
about
we
the
have
testing
recent-
of this software? Have you tested it enough?
Yes, sir. Sir, we are continuously testing the software and improving it bit by bit. So we have got an amazing response from our clients who are using it, like the private tutors who are currently using it. We have tested this software extensively with Design and Innovation Center. Also, our software is currently being tested by the Haryana EduSat Society. So yes, we have tested it, we have improved the software, and we have gotten very good response from the all our clients as well.
Right. So my one question is like that there are some platforms which are available. Let us talk about, say, Google Classroom, right? So it is
Right.
available free of cost. So
Right.
now I think you would be charging something for this platform, for usage in this of this platform. So why do you think the people will move to this when some things are available free also?
Right, sir. So, sir, current platforms such as though Google Classroom is offering functionality, many functionalities which kind of overlap with our learning management system, but RootWorks learning management system is a way ahead of other LMS such as Google Classrooms, which is currently offered for free. Example, with the help of RootWorks learning management system, we offer teacher all the flexibility to basically customize as per his or her needs. We offer teachers the cyclability of assigning classes, making timetables, automatic attendance system, and also fee management system. That is an all-in-one solution in integration with the Coral Telecom offline video conferencing feature makes it a complete package for any education institute.
Okay, okay, good.
Just to add to it, sir, this is like we can local for vocal. So the Prime Minister Modi's mantra that we should give to our the local people, the local companies. The reason is like the kind of problem that we have seen, that there are many students even in the Punjab University, they belong to Jammu, and so they are not able to attend our classes. So the platform like this, so they can help us. I talked to many teachers in the government schools in Punjab. So they are not. There are many students who are not able to connect just because they do not have the smartphones. So using this platform, we can connect using even a feature phone. So
So
these kind of
the
problems.
student would be able to listen, right?
Yes, yes. So they will be able to listen.
So I think this is a very wonderful feature in your whole this platform, because
Yes, yes.
very rightly said, we have to cater to our local ecosystem. And if you look at our local ecosystem, there are many people who do not have smartphones, particularly the students, the
Yes.
school-going students. And
Yes.
in fact, I know one school in Himachal Pradesh, in a rural area. In that area, it's really a challenge to engage the classes, because the school students, they are not having the laptop or desktop. All that they have is that ordinary phone, not a smartphone. So in that
Yes.
sense, I think your whole this project is very innovative, and I wish best of luck to all of you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
So are we done, or you want to say something more?
So I think it is okay, and we are actually looking for some investors as well. So I hope through this interview, we are looking for some collaborations. Suppose even if, let's say, Punjab EduSet, they agree and they want us to implement, so we need collaborations with some investors so that we can scale up our system. And so even if we, like for Himachal and other things, so even if these school education board, so if they join with hand with us, so we can take this platform to even those remote schools. So I can understand, I have gone to very remote areas of Hamirpur and Sujanpur and those sites as well. So I can see that it is very difficult to reach. They do not have the smartphones available with them. And even if there is a smartphone, it is only one smartphone per family. And there are 2 to 3 students who have to actually use it. So that's why, in that sense, our platform is very good, and it is actually need of the society, I think.
So, Professor Naveen, may I ask you that your platform is already ready, and you have also tested it also extensively. Then what is the motivation to look for more investment? And for what?
Sir, whenever we have to scale it up, let's say even if we have to cater to the EduSet Punjab or EduSet Haryana, so we need a very large servers. So because if 50 lakh students are looking for some lecture, so if they are connecting to us, so at that time we need a very good computing power. And these kind of, for that we need a immediate investment. So that for these kind of clients, sometimes the government clients, so they pay us after a few months or so. So that's why we need immediate scaling whenever we get these kind of clients.
Okay, so as of now, how many people can simultaneously connect to a class on your platform?
Right. So basically, there is no such on this, but the optimal that we can cater is up to 1,000 students at a time, including some of them will be added in an audio conferencing mode, and up to 100 students will be added in the video conferencing mode. So
Okay.
as such, we have tested our platform to the limit of 200 students at a stretch.
So 200 students in one class, and how many such classes simultaneously?
So sir, there is one, because each and every class or room is going to be different from the other. So there is no limit on how many different classes or simultaneous classes we can cater.
So, sir, in our new model where Punjab State Council has asked us to set up a model school, so in that school we will set up a server as well. So all the classes which all the teacher in one school they are conducting, they are through one server. So as such, no limitation for number of classes, but for the number of participants we have tested till 200. So this test has also been done along with the Coral Telecom as well. So we can easily scale it up as soon as we look for a particular client, so we can customize it as per their needs as well.
Okay, right. Right. So this startup is wonderful, and I think requirement of the current situation. And looking at the current situation, you have done a very good job. So I wish all the best to all of you. And thank you, Professor Naveen. Thank you, Shubham.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Utkarsh.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.